Hello everyone, my name is Virendra Sahu, a computer science graduate from Columbia Institute of Engineering and Technology, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today I am going to walk you through my project Persona Adaptive Customer Support Agent, which I built as a part of the AdSpark AI assignment. So let's get started. So the problem statement is traditionally customer support system give the same response to everyone, whether you are a frustrated user or a technical expert or a busy business executive. This create a poor experience. A frustrated user need empathy. A technical expert need code and details. A business executive need a short professional answer. My project solve exactly this problem by automatically detecting the customer communication style and adapting the response accordingly. So now it's time to know about the which technology I use in this project. So in this project, I used Google Gemini AI for persona classification and response generations, and Gemini text embedding 004 for converting document into vector embedding, and I used ChromaDB as a local vector database for storing and searching the document chunks. And I used LangChain for intelligent document chunking, RAG pipelines retrieving augmented generations to prevent hallucinations, and I used Streamlit for building the interactive chat UI. And I used Python as the core programming language. And the entire project is deployed live on the Streamlit Community Cloud. So now it's time to know about the architecture. So let me quickly explain how the system works. So when a user send a message, it first go to the persona classifier, which uses Gemini AI to detect whether the user is technical expert, frustrated user, or business executive. Simultaneously, the RAG pipeline searches our knowledge-based documents using causing similarity to find the most relevant information. This retrieve context combined with the detective persona is passed to the adaptive response generator, which creates a perfectly tailored response. If the confidence score falls below 0.40, or if a sensitive topic like a billing is detected, the system automatically escalated to a human agent and generate a structured handoff JSON report. So now it's time to give the live demo. So let's get started. So uh, I I have 5 test cases to test this project. Okay. So just I'm pasting this test cases. Okay. So I'm copying here and pasting here. Okay. So I'm giving the prompt for the frustrated user. So it is analyzing. So as you can see, the system correctly detected as a frustrated user with 95% confidence and response with the empathic simple response. So let's check the second test case. I'm giving the prompt for the technical expert. So it is analyzed and the system detected the technical expert with the 95% confidence. Okay. So responded with the detailed technical information. Now it's time to give the third test case for business executive. So I'm just pasting here. It is analyzing. So notice how the response is short, professional, and focused on timelines, and it is detected business executive. So let's give the fourth test case for technical expert. So I'm pasting the prompt and I send it, and it is analyzing. It is analyzing the another technical query about database integration and again correctly classifies as a technical expert You can see here it again analyzed technical expert, and now I'm giving the last to final test case for escalating the test case. So I'm pasting. So finally, the escalation test, yeah, you can see here it is analyzed. So I demand an immediate refund for duplicate charges. As you can see, the system detected billing sensitive. Yeah, you can see here, and it is detected frustrated user. As you can see, the system detected billing sensitive, automatically escalated to a human agent and generated as a complete handoff JSON report. Okay. So in this project, I faced some challenges and fix the challenges. So during deployment, I faced a few challenges. The biggest challenges was ChromaDB compatibility on Streamlit Cloud. It had version conflict with Protobuf and open telemetry libraries. I resolve this by carefully pinning the exact compatible version in a requirement.txt. Another challenges was the Gemini model name. The preview model were deprecated, so I updated to the stable Gemini 2.0 Flash model. These challenges taught me a lot about dependency management and cloud deployment. So for future scope, in the future scope, I would like to add multilingual support for regional languages, integrated a real CRM system for actual ticket management, and voice input for escalability, improve the UI with real-time persona analytics dashboard. So this is my brief introduction about my project. So, and I have added some feature here. We can choose the dark mode and light mode. Okay. And I deployed my project on my GitHub. All the files and folders are here. And I used the Streamlit for deploying my project. Okay. This is the live link. It is proper working. Okay, so thanks for watching. The project is live at persona customer support agent dot streamlight.app. Okay, you can see here, this is the URL, and complete source code is available on my GitHub. So this is Virendra Sahu. Thank you for watching, and thank you.